You put it out the window. Put it up on its own movie.
This is Buffalo home up here.
Man, we got sure buffalo today.
No kidding. Lots of buffalo
Plus you got
here.
that noise there.
I like that noise. It was cool watching him swim across the river. We lucked out. Look at that. Buffalo Row. Look at him. He's following her. He's gonna mate. Look, boy and girl. He's happy.
Get over there.
I know. I think this guy wants some.
Over here, back over here?
Look, she's a female.
Which one?
Right here.
One on the left?
Yeah, look right here. He's gonna... Look, he's checking her out. See, she's a female. That's his wife.
He's horny. He's got horns.
You're funny. She's not interested in him. He's not willing to commit. He's still...
Land right here?
Where? Yeah, right here in front of us. God, yes. Right here. Still got the movie camera on.
Okay, you got any picture?
Here, he's good. Right there. I'm not.
That way.
Right there. Look at the boy and girl.
Look at the two behind it, too.
I know.
Two in the front.
Those are the two in the back I'm talking about that are boyfriend and girlfriend. No kidding. Oh, look, right here, too. Right here. I know, isn't that beautiful?
Go forward, turn the camera this way so we can see the lavender. Like this.
I got it.
And there's two there. Wait a minute, there's one over here too.
Oh, there's water there. Right up front. Right there. The water over here. No, right up here. Right there. Two right there.
This guy.
Yeah, that's what the other one did. He took a bath, swam across the river, got in the dirt, and found that little dirt patch.
This is beautiful here. Okay, this is the end of our buffalo film.
They're just all over here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.